Welcome back to the training, and this time around I'm going to be revealing to you how to run profitable WhatsApp ads so that you can get more customers and leads. Now when it comes to running WhatsApp ads, you could go about it in two ways. The very first one, you could use the WhatsApp messaging objective, and the second means mode or method of running WhatsApp ads is the using of the customized WhatsApp link, and we are going to be looking into each of them. I'll see how you can do it in this tutorial. This is going to be a really revealing section. Now, using the WhatsApp messaging objective, Facebook is going to show ads to people that are most likely to visit WhatsApp. When you use the WhatsApp messaging objective, Facebook, because each of the objective in Facebook has been optimized to deliver based on what you are choosing. So when you choose the WhatsApp messaging objective, Facebook algorithm will work in such a way as to show ads to those people that are most likely to visit WhatsApp and patronize whatsoever services or products you are selling. Secondly, the WhatsApp messaging objective method of running ads ensures that the ads that are being delivered are highly optimized for WhatsApp messages. So what happens is that when you go into your Facebook, you will discover that everything has been so optimized based on the objective which you have chosen, which is the WhatsApp message. So, and it could also get really pretty expensive, in that if your ads are not getting traction, that a good number of persons are not clicking through and sending you messages, Facebook is still going to charge you. In fact, they are going to charge you more, so it becomes really expensive. So you really need to know how to do it properly, so that you have a good number of target audience clicking on your ads and sending messages to you on WhatsApp. So the fourth one is that the setup could get a little bit complicated, and that is if you don't know how to go about it. If it's really your first time, it could get a little bit complicated, and hence the reason for this particular training. Then you must connect a WhatsApp number. For you to run a WhatsApp messaging objective method of ad on Facebook, you need a WhatsApp number, because that's where the messages that they are going to be sending to you will be delivered to. You are not using a landing page, not at all. Everything is being done right inside the WhatsApp platform. So you are going to need a WhatsApp number that is connected to WhatsApp. So that's it for the WhatsApp messaging objective. Then the other one, talking about customized WhatsApp link, for this is if you have been carrying ads before now, that's your normal ads, traffic ads, then conversion ads and the likes, you are not going to have, it's just still the same format. The only thing this time around is that instead of using a link, a web link or a URL, you are going to be using your WhatsApp, a link that is connected to your WhatsApp that take you straight to your WhatsApp platform. So that's the difference. So these ads, just like the normal ads, are highly optimized for clicks, and they're a whole lot cheaper. The WhatsApp messaging objective form of carrying ads on WhatsApp could get pretty expensive compared to this, because you could use traffic ads for this, and it can also be less expensive to using WhatsApp messaging objective, as I just explained. And this process is pretty straightforward. It's a straightforward process if you have been carrying ads before. Even if you have not been carrying ads before, now you discover that it's a breeze. It's really straightforward and easy compared to the other format. And for this, there is no need for you to connect your WhatsApp account to your page. You don't need at all. So these are the two means through which you could carry out WhatsApp ads on Facebook. So we have seen the theoretical part of it. I've explained all this to you. Now let's go straight on and see how you can do this practically. So I'm going to go straight to my browser now, and I will go to my business manager. Let's start with the messaging objective. Oops, I have to log in. I'm going to pause. So we are now inside the business manager. We have to choose the right ad accounts. Let's make use of that. Then you click on create, and it will take you to the campaign objective. So we are going to make use of the messages. Take here, see, show people ads that allow them to engage with you on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram direct. So you could use traffic. We are coming to that later for the customized WhatsApp link. So you choose messages. You are going to have the option of naming your campaign. We just go straight on ahead, and when you come here, you can name the campaign. Let's just call it for now WhatsApp messaging objective. So scroll down, you leave every other thing there. Look at it, the campaign objective is messages. You don't want to tamper with anything here, so leave everything like that. You click on the next button and add set name. Let's just call it NG plus 18. Can just call it anything, plus or anything at all. Can also call it the WhatsApp and messaging objective ad sets. So you are going to add sponsor ad and click to message. We are interested in click to message. The default messaging app is Messenger. You will discover that if you have been carrying ads before now, that this is totally different. Everything here has been optimized for WhatsApp messages, for messages generally. So we click on WhatsApp, since that is what we're interested in. Don't let what you are seeing here bother you for now. Just go on ahead. When we come to targeting, everything will be normal. You discover that the potential reach is way too broad for now. 24 million. You don't want that, but we'll still come to that. So for the Facebook page you want to use, you go through your Facebook page, then the particular one you have in mind you want to use, you click on it. Let's use this. So you see WhatsApp business, that's, you choose the one that has WhatsApp business. Without that, you will not be able to run this kind of ads. For the customized WhatsApp link, you don't need a WhatsApp business account to run. You see, the moment we put in that, you now see you can get between 43 to 125 clicks using this amount. Let's say we make it 2,000 for this campaign. See, it will like practically double. So when you use 2,000 naira and everything is well done, you see you are selling a product for 10,000. Let's say it's even 5,000 naira for the products, and you are to get between 87 to 251 link clicks. That list comes onto your messaging platform, your WhatsApp platform, your accounts, and let's say it is even 100. It's not up to 200, and 50 of them eventually convert, I believe that's really good returns. 50 times 5,000, that's 250,000 naira. You see, this is a highly underutilized method of running ads, because many persons don't even know how to use WhatsApp to even sell physical products or even sell digital product properly. But you can use your WhatsApp ads to sell practically any kind of product. You do it properly, you won't get your account banned. You can even use it to sell some kind of prohibited products, pharmaceutical products. And I have a video that shows how you can do that safely without getting your account banned, whether your Facebook or WhatsApp account. So let's go on with this. So you come on down, you have audience, you have create new audience, then you have use save audience. I'm going to show you what to do here. Now for the create new audience, you can just create your audience, say Nigeria. Let's say you want to target the high broad people living in or recently in this location. You want to target people living in this location, not those recently they visited that place but they are no longer there. Maybe they travel out of the country. No, not at all. People living in the location, you should know that. Then yes, Nigeria, you could just include some high broad area. Let's say you're interested in Lagos. You understand? Say you're interested in Lagos, you click on you check it. And let's say you're also interested in places. See, it has reduced because we have started doing targeting. Say Abuja, add it to it. The audience, of course, will increase. Let's say you want to still add like Port Harcourt. So you can restrict where you want your ads to go to. You can actually restrict it, or you can just remove it and target the whole country and let Facebook do the work for you, people living or in this location. So but we are going to just that's if you put include, or you can exclude some particular people living in, say you want the whole Nigeria targeted, but you don't want the people living in some particular locations. So I don't want to go too deep into this, but let's just use Lagos, just Lagos, Nigeria. Say the whole of Lagos. Then the age, let's leave the age, targeting or gender. The WhatsApp algorithm will do its work. See, for targeting there is like nothing here now, don't let that bother you. So you click on edit because we want not all languages but English. You should choose English all. And then you should save this audience, that's languages. If you click the more option, you are going to see where you have automatic placement and manual placement. Now we are not going to be using automatic placement unless you have like enough money to try add the ads, so you use automatic placement. But we are going to use manual placement because we are interested in just messaging, that's mobile. You were interested in the feeds place on mobile, so we have Facebook, you can add Instagram to it, but we are just going to leave this one with for Facebook alone. Then you come on here and we want feed, so news feed, that's what you want. You can be seeing them all here, the assets that you are picking. So we come down, we'll remove all these, go down, check, make sure that they are all removed. So to confirm, you still go up here, you see yes, just one out of 9 placement, talking about the Facebook feeds. So it's link optimization for ad delivery, link clicks. So we've done all that, then go through again to make sure that everything is well checked. connection all people. That's all people living there. So you don't want to change that. Then you cannot save this particular audience so that you can use it again. So you save it with whatsoever name you choose to save it with, and just click save it. This is just a demo training, so I'm not going. The moment you click save, let's do it. The moment you click save, if you click save now, see, you won't likely spend the entire budget. You won't likely spend the entire budget. So this is what you have, what has been saved. If you want to make edit, you can make edit on it, and as you make your edits, to get updated. Let's say people living in this location, people traveling to this location. The moment you choose this, you see the update button will be highlighted, so you can make changes. But we want to leave it to at people living in this location. Now if you want all let's say countries, but you don't want to do that, you can choose Nigeria as a whole. You can choose Nigeria as a whole as default and just update. And you are done. That's targeting the whole country. I should point that out. Then you come down and we are going to click to next. Everything is all good. You go to next, and you can name this ad name, give it whatsoever name you want that relates to what you are offering, what you are selling, so you don't forget it. So that you see, you have a preview of everything you are doing. What you now do is you click the preview button. We are not seeing anything here because we have not selected media. So remember, this is the Facebook page we are using. If you want to change the page, you click on this. It will take you back and you change the page. Now if you want to advertise on Instagram, you can also add Instagram, but remember you can just still add the Instagram, and it will take you back, or you can go back on there. You can go back and add the Instagram. You just select it. Now single image, ad setup, you click your ad. You can create a new ad, or you use an existing post. If you already have a post with good engagement for this offer, you can use it, but we are going to create this ad. So single image or video, that's what we are using here. You come down and you can add a video, or you add a media. So we are just going to add an image. You can create a video, so you just pick anyone here, let's say this, and you click on next. You see how it is going to look like, which is recommended, and boom, it is now showing on the feed. So this is how it's going to be. We are not still done with customization. Since this is not a website, okay, you add your primary tests. As you are doing all this, you are going to see it show up. You add your primary test. So let's just use learn marketing on Facebook is not supposed to be a rocket science. See, as you are doing it, it's coming up on there, and see, marketing on social media, it's not supposed to be a rocket science, right? Let me show you how to really do marketing like the gurus. You see, this is just it's not optimized as an ad creative. I'm just showing you where you can put the primary text. Now you can add options. But we are not going to do that. We are just going to make this ad simple. And the headline here, you can put chat with us. You understand? You can put chat with us. You can see it down here, chat with us. I'm just going to leave it at the default chat with us. Then this description is optional. There's send WhatsApp message. You can see it there. Call to action. Send WhatsApp message. That's WhatsApp. You can't optimize this for events, website event, because it is not. You are going straight to WhatsApp, not our page. So that's it, goody. The moment you are done, you click on publish, and when they click on this relating to what you are offering, click on chat with us, WhatsApp, it will lead them straight to your WhatsApp platform where you can now engage them further. So this is how you actually carry out the WhatsApp messaging objective form of ads. Now that we are done with that, if you want to do the WhatsApp customize link form of ad, let's go back here. Or let's just close this up. Then you come to create ad. This time around we choose traffic, we choose continue. This is pretty straightforward. This campaign name, you give it the campaign name just as before. You leave everything here on default. You click next. I don't want to make this video too long. So this time around we are not using WhatsApp, we are using website. You give it a name, your asset name, and then you come down, make sure check your budget very well. You can use 2,000, it is not a crime. You can use 1,000 and test your ad, it's not a crime. They will allow you. So you see the landing page views are lower compared to the WhatsApp, the clicks. So you come down here, you don't need to touch all of these. Audience. Now the last time we created a new audience, but you could use a saved audience. If you have an audience already saved, you could use it even for the WhatsApp messaging objective. If it has already been saved, you can use it. So we'll pick one. Let me demonstrate it here. Let's say this, we are using this. You come down. If you want to make edits on this, you click on duplicate. So the moment you click duplicate, you'll now be able to edit this targeting. Do you understand? So that's what you need. You just click duplicate and you'll be able to make your edits. So we go down and you can save that new audience as usual. As I taught in the earlier section, you go to choose manual placement, and this time around we'll leave it on both Instagram and Facebook. So we take off all the others. To confirm if you have done it properly, come on here. Out of 15, placement 2, that's Facebook and Instagram newsfeed. So we did it. So for optimizing for ad delivery, you are going to see the options here. You have landing page views, you have link clicks. Landing page views, people that are most likely to click on your ad link, the link you have on your website. This one will deliver people that are most likely to just click on the link generally. They might not. So you discover that this is more expensive compared to the, if you choose, okay, if you choose, okay, our estimated daily result is no longer showing. I'm going to pause it for now. Okay, it was not showing because the range between the ages was really narrow. No, I was just trying to demonstrate something to you. So we leave it on 18, from 18 to the default plus 65, and let Facebook do the work. So it is not showing. Now what I want to show to you before I notice that, so landing page view, you have other option. If you click on link clicks, you discover that this is going to increase. Do you understand? It is going to increase. Now we are not interested in visiting a web page. We are interested in the link clicks that will take them to the WhatsApp platform. So this is what we are going to be using. We are using link clicks, and you click on this option. You see when you get charged, is it for impression or standard delivery? You get charged on impression. You don't need to change any of this. Select hide, you don't need to change any of that. Then you go to next. So name your ad sets the right way. Don't let this bother you. Name your ad set the right way. The moment we choose our Instagram, you need to select the Instagram, your Instagram account. I have one okay, seems no okay. Let's change this. Please note this, the Facebook page link to your Instagram account. Let me look for Mega Rich. So that's it. Automatically it detects it. Go down. You need to go through meticulously, create an ad image the way we did it the last time. Come down. You can use an existing post, or you create direct. So all these, leave all this. You can use carousel. We are not doing that. So now let's add our media so that all these errors and rates will disappear. We add, you can use a video, but we are using an image for this. So let's say we are, let's just pick a random one. Let's just pick, or we still choose this. No, or this. Choose that and click next, and you have the preview of how it's going to look. Then boom, we are done. And this is it for Instagram, and that's it for what? Facebook. So website and event, no. let's go back and the website URL. Before we go on down there, see on the primary text, you just put in, just say your art creative, because this is not a Facebook. I just want to demonstrate to you how you, this is not a Facebook tutorial. If you go to our channel, just go to YouTube, Mega Rich Consults. I've done all these hours upon hours of Facebook tutorial on targeting and everything you need to get started with marketing on Facebook. And I don't have WhatsApp there, so this is special, this is unique, because this is for the WhatsApp marketing course. So let's just type in anything at random, or just copy something and just put in there, learn how to market on Facebook. I'm being careful not to use Facebook. Learn how to market on the most profitable social media network. Learn how to market on one of the most profitable social media network, and bank real sales fast. Okay, let's just leave it at there, at that. Then you put in your headline, WhatsApp marketing blueprint. Okay, see, we suggest removing the word WhatsApp. Our people who don't have it may see this. We send them to we'll send them to the best alternative. Okay, Guru marketing strategies to bank sales right now. So of course, if this were a real ad, I will make each of the first letter cap. So description, you can leave that, check out and see how it is. Guru marketing strategies to bank sales right now. So now for the website URL, remember how I taught you before now how to, because you are leading them to your WhatsApp business. No, for this place you don't need a WhatsApp business account. You just need a personal account, and you don't need to link it up to your fan page. For the WhatsApp messaging objective, you will need to link your WhatsApp account to your fan page. But for this, just like the normal ad, instead of using a website URL, you are going to need to get your phone number URL, because you cannot put your phone number here. Now we are going to have to generate a link for our phone number or any phone number you are using, just as I taught in the earlier tutorials. So as you will recall, we use chatwith.io to generate the link for our phone number. So what you just do is go on here and you copy it. The moment you copy it, this is the link we are going to use. Copy it, then you go back on here and paste, and you are good to go. So you can preview the URL to see where it leads to. So you see it lists here. When you notice anything like this, is because it's in the foreign language. Remember the customized message we sent, you have already set up all of that. So you can go on and open on WhatsApp. It take you straight to, just so you are sure that everything is working properly, no errors whatsoever. Okay, since it's taking time, let's just, okay, it has. Okay, we actually used a dummy number then. So that's how you do it. The display link. Happy WhatsApp, we are good to go. Display link is optional. Then for the call to action, I would suggest on leaving it at learn more, though there are other options, but learn more tells the story better. Then you can add languages, but you don't want to do that. And then good. Then the moment you are done and everything is all goody goody, you click publish. So this is how you run your WhatsApp ads using the two methods. The first, the WhatsApp messaging objective, and the second using the WhatsApp customized link. Both of them are super powerful, but the WhatsApp customized link is far easier and straightforward. You can try out both of them and see which one works best for you, but both of them work very well. The main advantage with the WhatsApp customized link is that you don't need a business WhatsApp account. So if your WhatsApp business has already been banned, you can use your personal WhatsApp account to run this. You just customize, get a customized link and put on there, and you still get things done, though you miss out with the features that you get when you are using WhatsApp business. So I'm going to stop this training here for now because it's getting too long. I don't want to get you bored, but this kind of training that you just had on how to run WhatsApp ads could come as a course on its own, and people will charge 10,000, 15,000, 20, 25,000 naira just for this course. So but today you have gotten it for free, and I will advise that you utilize this information very well. Not a lot of persons are not running WhatsApp ads. Most persons are just concentrating on conversion ads. WhatsApp ads are super powerful and effective. You get to have one-on-one relationship with your customer. You get their phone numbers, and you can even you can get their emails. As in the customized message, you just drop a link there to get a free offer, and it takes them to your opt-in page. You get their phone, so you now get their phone number, you get their emails, and you can relate to them. You can put them on a label, you can label them up and send broadcast messages to them and market to them one-on-one. Chat with them. The person, they will definitely trust you better. So thank you for the time spent learning this, and God bless.